Hello everybody, it is Colin Templeton, and today we are back with another video. Sorry I've been gone, I just haven't had any new things to do, and the Sentinel video was blowing up, so I just figured that I'd kind of just see how it goes, and yeah, anyway, I can't really excuse myself. I shouldn't have been gone for 2 months, but here I am. I'm gonna try to upload videos more frequently than that. My channel will have kind of like booms, so like I'll upload a lot of videos and then stop maybe for like a month or two, in this case, and then I'll record some more because I have a life and I gotta use it. I can't spend it all on my YouTube channel and exploiting and all that. But today, this is a very I don't know if it's much requested. I've seen it a couple times, but how to make a UI, more specifically a Sentinel style UI. Sorry about that. So what you need to do to make a Sentinel style UI is you need to search form up here, and you just do Windows Forms app .NET framework. For the sake of this, I'm going to name it tutorial. I can't type. Alright. And you want to make sure your net framework is the latest one, and hit create. Now I'll leave a link in the description on how to set up the axon in the UI. But yeah. So basically what you want to do is to create like a flat style UI, you're going to need a couple things. You're going to need Bonafu. So ellipse, it appears I don't have it. So what you want to do is right click. You want to hit choose items. Right click on all Windows Forms. Wait for this to load. You want to go ahead and hit browse desktop or wherever you have your Bonafu DLL and double click that. And yeah. Also do that for fast color text box. I'm not going to leave the link in the description because you can get Bonafu online just anywhere. But yeah. Next, what I like to do is I like to name mine and then put my credits here, so colon RBLX, so nobody can change that. So it'll just be in the background. Now you want to make it the size. If you want to make it a Sentinel style, you can kind of make it like that. Now we're gonna need a fast color text box. So you want to go ahead and drag this. If you want to do tabs, go ahead. That source has been leaked. I'm not doing tabs for this video. I might show you guys how to do tabs for your text box on the next one. You want to leave a little space for the buttons, and we're going to go ahead and drag the buttons there. Doesn't matter if they're have them as cramped down there as you can, kind of like that. Have your text box there. Alright, and then we want to copy this, and I'll paste it in a couple times for our execute, clear, save, open, and attach. I like to put mine down here, but you can do whatever. So my attach button is going to be right here. So I want to name this button what it does, attach. This button will be execute. This button will be clear. Let's go ahead and execute, clear, open, and attach. Oh wait, execute, clear, open, attach. Oh, this is save. Whoops. Is this open? Yep, so open and save are together. And yeah, so you want to drag your text box up. And just like that. I think, okay, yeah. Drag it out a bit. I'd say probably to right there. And you want to go into your UI, right here. You want to set sizable to none. We can drag this down. Resize it to our liking, because it was a little bit different. You can drag all these buttons where we need them. Alright. Everything's into place. And now we're going to have kind of this right here. So we're going to need to get, you need a panel. This panel is going to be the drag aspect of your form. So you're going to need to drag it. So I recommend making this red for now. Let's go ahead and make it red, so you can see what you're doing. Drag it a little bit off, always just a little bit. And then, yeah, so I think that's a good drag panel. So for the background, you're going to want to make it, let's see, I think it's 30, 30, 30. 30, 30, 30 for a good background. And this one, we can do 25, 25. Alright. So then, you kind of want to go in your Bunifu and hit drag, search drag, and your Bunifu drag control. You want to drag this down, or on here. And you'll see this thing appear. You hit the target control and do the panel 1. And so now when you start up your program, you can drag around the panel. See, and yeah, so you don't have to code anything extra in. This automatically just adds drag control. So now we're gonna go ahead and get it a Bunifu ellipse. So you want to search ellipse, drag it on. And we're going to need to copy this probably about 3 times right now. No, maybe 2. Alright, so first one is going to be form 1. It's going to target form 1. You're going to want to set this to 15. For 2, you're going to set this to, you're going to target Pascal text box. And we'll rename this to actually script box. So we know it. Okay. This one is going to be script box, and it's going to be 5. Okay, why isn't it working? Okay, there, we'll go back to 5 now. Anyway, what you want to do is now, just go ahead and copy this button right here. We're going to drag it over here. This is going to be our close button. Sure, there's only 1 letter showing. You want to have a small one, and just go ahead and drag it. Sorry, I'm concentrating. Alright, and then you want to just put an X in there, just text. Just put an X, and then go to flat style. You want to do flat. Go to flat appearance, and then change the border size to 0. And then you can reconfigure it if you need to. So like this, I think I like it like that. Go ahead and go to your font. I like making it bold, and your fore color can be control. You can go ahead and do the same for the minimize. Personally, I like doing an underscore instead of a dash. What? Did it not work? Okay, there. Just need to reconfigure it a bit. There we go. Alright. So, now that we have this, let's change this to 25, 25, 25. We can change the fore color, which is the font color, if you didn't know. To control. We change this one to 25, 25, 25 as well. Change this to control. So this can be our text box, and if you want, you can go down here to language. You'll find language somewhere. Language, and then you can set it to Lua, so it can be a Lua text box, and then you can go ahead and set whatever you want. So print tutorial. Okay, and you can make the font a little bit bigger. I like keeping it how it is. I'm going to do the same for all these buttons, so just go ahead and select all of them. And then do flat appearance, 0. Back color, 25, 25, 25. I'm going to do flat style. We're looking for flat. I'm going to do font. I'm going to change that to bold. Change the fore color, which is our text color, to control. And we're going to rename these to their names. So execute, its text would be execute down there. Clear, I think, yeah. Clear. This one would be open, save, and we already did attach. Alright, well, now what we need to do is we need to copy this. We need to count our buttons, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We paste this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's our third one, so it's going to be execute, open, or no, clear, open, save, and attach. We're going to have each of these, we're going to set this to 10 for each of them. 10. 10. 10. 10. So now, what we're going to do is we're going to change the, what's it called? There's a color that you change. Yes, mouse over back color. You change this to a kind of maroon red color. Let's see what that looks like. Yeah, that kind of looks like Sentinels, but we're gonna need to configure these buttons as well. But yeah. So you can add your logo up here if you want. We'll just so you on flat appearance and then change. So I'm gonna do this. We're also gonna do this for the close buttons as well. So we're gonna this one. I believe it's 25, and you do the button 1 and button 2, and we'll see what that looks like. Scoot this over a bit so it's not like interrupting the other one. I'm going to do this 25 as well. We do both of these as maroon. Whoops. And then this one as well. We'll see how those look when we hover over them. This does require a lot of just playing around with it. So yeah, that actually doesn't look that bad. Okay. So yeah. So this will look like so when you have your stuff. I think that this is pretty much finished. Of course, you're gonna have to code all these buttons in using my other tutorial, but this, for the most part, is a Sentinel style UI. I'll actually open up the real one. So this is the real Sentinel compared to fake one. Of course, you can make this. You can make them bigger, different colors and stuff. I mean, then again, if you want to make it even more like Sentinel, you can just make these buttons invisible, and I'll show you how to do that. So you set these to back color of this. I don't know why they attach buttons more. To fix that, you just gotta set it to 0 and then to 10 again. Alright, and then, so all these buttons, we're just gonna select them. And we're gonna set the back color to 30, 30, 30. Now they're invisible. We can put them closer to each other as well. Oh, whoops. I'm not supposed to move that. Alright. And you could also put like a script box, but like I said, it's just, yeah, I actually really like this UI. It's kind of nice. But yeah, I might leave the source of this UI in the description. If you want it, be sure to subscribe to the channel and just have a nice day. So, yeah. See you guys. Bye-bye.